Good afternoon, my name is Adrian Paynter, Business Development Manager here at Quelfire. Today we're going to be discussing some of our latest tested details. This on display here isn't exactly one of our tested details, it's more to show you the pipe lagging we're going to discuss on both these models here. So we have tested many different types of pipe lagging, Armaflex, Kingspan Kooltherm, even tested full-faced rock fibre installations such as rock lap. Following requests from our customers, we've been asked to test PAROC Hvac AluCoat T pipe lagging. I'm very pleased to be able to say that we have excellent test results both in wall and in floor applications. For wall, we have single and double skin, rigid wall and concrete wall testing, also in Euroclad FireMaster, utilising our Quelstop fire bat both in pattress and in double bat. For floors, we have good details using our QF2 compound in concrete floors, also in hollow core floors and on profile deck. We also have some excellent details using the QF2 upstand on concrete floor and on the profile deck details. For more information on these details, please contact our technical department or see the detail below this video. Thank you.